Mike writes in, he says, I wanted to share a quick tip for working with the downloads folders. There are two downloads folders, one in the iCloud folder and one in the user folder on the Mac. I prefer using the iCloud folder because it allows me to access downloads from any of my devices. I also have screen captures and temporary documents go directly to the downloads folder. When I download a file, I move it to its appropriate storage location. However, if I don't need to keep it around, I simply leave it in the folder. I know it's there for now and it will automatically be moved to the trash in 6 weeks, which gives me enough time to deal with it if I forget to do so immediately. I have a Hazel rule that references the date added and automatically moves any files that have been in the folder for more than 6 weeks to the trash. A tip within a tip. Interestingly, my downloads folder in the user folder still appears as the default download folder with the download symbol on its icon. I've set preferences for most applications to use the iCloud folder, but occasionally something will still download to the user's folder. Do you know of a way to change this? Perhaps it's not necessary. Alternatively, I could have Hazel watch the local folder and automatically move any files to the iCloud folder, which I think is his second tip in there. That's what I did. I have Hazel move it to the iCloud downloads folder. And I will say the other thing that I do differently from Mike is I have Hazel move anything that's been longer than 30 days in my download folder to a folder I call tidy. So it doesn't trash it. I still get to review it one last time. And every now and then I've caught myself going, oh, I needed to do something else besides leave it where it was. And so I do a tidy folder, and then the tidy folder I go through periodically once every 7 years, whether I need to or not.
Right. Yeah.